Okay, so I'm told this is day 6 of Sean's no talking for a week, and I legit walked into class talking to him and he didn't reply, and that was kind of mean. So I pretty much spent the whole class talking to myself, and I felt like I was talking to a mute. But I told him he should go to a bar and try to get some girl's number. And he says it's pretty hard to try and get a girl's number without talking, and I said, you can't use that as an excuse because you probably just can't get a girl's number while speaking, but anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. I think he's pretty much cheating by laughing because that's using his voice, but I guess he's almost done, so good luck, Sean, and congratulations.